Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. My name is Abba. Well, the sun is out, so it's only right that I share this delicious blueberry ice cream with you all. So come along and let's get right into it. You will need some frozen blueberries, one lemon, and some sugar. First, you're going to pour your frozen blueberries into your saucepan and then add your sugar. And then go ahead and grate in the zest of your lemon. Finally, squeeze in the juice of the lemon as well. Now you're going to transfer this onto your stove and cook this on low for about 5 to 6 minutes until everything becomes thick and syrupy. So once on the stove, you want to stir it occasionally to prevent it from burning. You can also use fresh blueberries for this recipe if that's all you have. It will work too. So once my blueberry reaches this consistency, I'm going to take it off the stove and pour it into a heat-resistant jar. Now with my stick blender, I'm going to blend this until very smooth. And you can obviously do this in a regular blender as well. But if your blender is plastic, you may want to wait for it to cool down slightly before you pour it into your blender. So now I'm going to quickly set this aside so I can show you the rest of the ingredients we'll be using. So for the base of our ice cream, we are going to need a whole tin of sweetened condensed milk and some heavy cream, and you want to make sure that your heavy cream has a 35% fat content. In a mixing bowl, you want to go ahead and pour in your heavy cream. And for the best results, I chilled this for about 15 minutes in the freezer to get it really cold. I am using my stand mixer here for convenience, but you can definitely do this with a hand mixer as well. Now go ahead and beat this on low until it reaches about this consistency, let's say double in size. Then you want to go ahead and pour in your chilled condensed milk as well, and we are using the whole can. But you can definitely check out the description box down below for the entire list of ingredients and the correct measurements. So once your condensed milk is added, you want to go ahead and beat this on high for about 3 to 4 minutes until stiff peaks are formed. And this right here is going to be our base for the ice cream. So once this is done, we are going to pour in our blueberry mixture, and you want to make sure that the mixture is cooled down before you add it. Now go ahead and gently fold in the blueberry mixture with our ice cream base. You want to fold it in, so that means stirring from bottom up, and it's okay if there are streaks of white in it. Go ahead and pour your ice cream mixture into any container that you have. I'm doing this in a baking tin, so I lined it with some parchment paper so that when it's time for me to scoop my ice cream, I don't scratch my baking tin. Now with the back of a spoon, I'm going to smoothen out the surface and cover with some plastic wrap and pop this into the freezer for it to freeze, preferably overnight or for at least about 6 hours. So once it's time to serve your ice cream, you want to take it out of your freezer and allow it to sit for about 10 minutes for it to soften up slightly so you can make beautiful scoops, just like this. Now I chose to serve this in my ice cream cones because that's how the kids enjoy this the most. But you can serve this in a glass, add some nuts or any toppings of your liking, and I tell you, you are really going to enjoy this. So if you are planning to make ice cream this summer, I hope that you give this a creamy blueberry ice cream recipe a try, and I know you will not be disappointed. Having said that, if you enjoyed this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you think, subscribe and become part of the Amazing family. And until I come your way next time with another amazingly delicious recipe, thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye!